A bowling ball is a piece of sporting equipment used to hit bowling pins in the sport of bowling. There are many factors to consider when purchasing a bowling ball, including size, weight, cover stock, core, price, and your amount of bowling experience. So if you're interested in buying one, these are some of the best available in the business. The Hammer Black Widow Legend comes with an aggressive polished cover, along with the most successful core in bowling history, the legendary gas mask core. Provides an incredible move on the back end and through the pins. It features flex resin and carbon fiber, which makes it one of the most robust balls in bowling. This 15-pound bowling ball is the first offering in the Black Widow line to use a hybrid cover stock. Also, it has proven ideal for strong to mid-lane action and delivers a massive back end. The Pyramid Antidote offers high RG, high differential core technology that provides bowlers with maximum flare potential and continuation. Besides, it offers the best remedy for medium heavy oil because it has wrapped the core in GPS navigational solid cover stock. Also, it is finished at 2000 grit Abralon/factory finished polish. The Antidote will give you a stronger, earlier, and smoother reaction than the Pathogen. With a manageable length and distinct and robust hook set motion, it's a very predictable ball that carries quite well and looks to be versatile enough for both house and sports shots. The Motiv Venom Cobra features the new Top Gear dual density weight block and new Sabotage hybrid reactive cover combination that is devastating. It is created for light to medium oil, and it provides more length than the Venom Shock and a faster response to friction. It uses Top Gear dual density weight block at the heart of this bowling ball. While the RG and differential are similar to the original gear core, the dual density configuration amplifies other variables of ball motion that, while not easily measured, are demonstrated on the lane. The Brunswick Lizard Eye Glow Viz-a-Ball is excellent for first-time ball purchasers or picking up spares. It has low hook potential, typically a spare ball or used on arid conditions, and the shots with higher numbers will be the straightest. It is made of a high-quality polyester material, and the actual image is embedded into the surface of the ball. Also, it is perfect for the recreational bowler or beginner. This also works well for experienced bowlers who want to throw the ball straight at spares. The DV8 Vandal Destroy bowling ball pairs the asymmetric Vandal core with the composite hook hybrid cover stock to provide versatility on a wide array of lane conditions. It has a total hook and a more powerful back end than its predecessors and is ideally used on medium oil. The low RG high differential core provides maximum flare and an amazing mid-lane read for a controllable but devastating back-end hook. It comes with composite hybrid cover stock with its 500 grit Sierre Crown Factory compound finish that will clear the heads easily while providing controlled angle into the pocket. The Hammer Gauntlet bowling ball was designed for heavy oil. It is finished with 2000 Abralon pad, which gives the ball a dull surface to pick up in the oil. It takes the hybrid version of the proven Semtex CFI cover stock and pairs it with the all-new Gauntlet asymmetric core. Also, it is designed for heavy oil conditions and was made to be aggressive at the mid lane as well as the back end. Besides, it features Hammer's patent-pending carbon fiber infusion in both the outer core and the cover stock, making the Gauntlet one of the most robust, most durable balls on the planet. The Pyramid Path Rising Pearl offers a new Era 139 core that provides a wide variety of drilling options for bowlers of all styles and types, ranging from the conventional strong roll, strong backhand layout, skid flip, or the cutting edge triangle layout. Also, the Path Reactive Pearl cover stock technology allows for a medium aggressive coefficient of friction of the backhand, perfect for medium to light oil conditions, and can accommodate from stroker bowlers to high rev two-handed bowlers with precision and forgiveness. Besides, it allows bowlers of any style and a wide range of skill level to achieve their peak performance on medium to medium dry lane conditions. In at first place among the list of best bowling balls, we have Storm Timeless. It comes with an aromatherapy fragrance which is quite famous for Storm bowling balls. It uses the unique dual drive core and partners it with the fantastic R2S cover stock. The dual drive core is a weight block within a weight block. These two weight blocks work together to create a ball core that generates faster revving action and a more significant amount of energy transmission at the pins. It offers an R2S hybrid reactive cover stock that glides through the front of the lane and then reacts to the back end with a unique motion. Also, the outer weight block incorporates strategically placed geometric shapes that, in conjunction with the inner weight block, establishes a new standard in bowling ball motion. Faster revving action with a higher level of energy transfer at the pins. Thanks for watching. These are the best bowling balls in the market. If you liked what you saw, then go ahead and like the video. The bell icon helps you to get notified every time we post a new video.